Family. Oh, you mean what to the Dungle family too?
And the Dungle family. Big
Yeah,
up the Dungle family.
Yeah? The whole of Santa Cruz, Dungle Town, Santa Cruz, Maypen, Clarendon, the whole 9 yards.
I'm in Jamaica, where are you? You know the one?
Oh yeah, I see.
I'm in Jamaica, where are you? Huh?
I said Jamaica.
Oh, did you? What?
The girl, my fight over me, what is that?
Me and the girl, them desire. Who is it again?
Merciless.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we lot, oh you speak French now.
Oh, when it goes right. Good morning, G&Ts. Welcome to another vlog. Junior's driving very erratic. That's why you can see my head like going for the dog. That's it. They might think because we look so good on AI.
You're not talking
like I'm here.
Because today we're vlogging. Good morning, GNT.
Shut up, Junior. Anyway, guys, now Junior stopped messing about. Good morning, my G&Ts. He says I'm talking like a robot. I don't know. I don't know where I picked up this style from. But anyway, so as you would have saw from the previous vlog, we did a children's merry-go-round. You know, local Jamaican style little children's mini little fun fair, which I always think is so cute. So today we are on our way to, well, we don't actually know where we're going to end up. The children want water, they're over it. They want either a beach or they want a pool. So I was thinking maybe pool day today. So they've got some hotels and villas where you can do a day pass. So they're local to us. Oh, my microphone has fallen off. Can you hear me, guys? Yeah, I thought we're trying to stay kind of local-ish, doing local things in St. Elizabeth for now. Usually when we come to Jamaica, we're all over the place. We're in the Grill, we're in Montego Bay, we're in Ochi. And this trip, we were like, you know what? We don't really want to tire out ourselves and spend lots of time on the road. It is New Year's, and you know what it's like with the festive season. You've got lots of mad drivers drinking and, you know, over celebrating. I didn't really want to be on the road like that. So this trip we're kind of keeping it local and showing you as much of St. Elizabeth as we possibly can. So yeah, so today I did call up two smaller type hotel stroke villas. One of them is Lashings, which is in St. Elizabeth, like south side, and the other one is Sea Coast Suites, which is Treasure Beach. Is that one Treasure Beach?
Yeah, both of them in Treasure Beach.
Oh, both of them is in Treasure Beach. Sorry, I've been corrected by Junior. Both of them are in Treasure Beach, which is still St. Elizabeth, south side. No? Yeah. Basically over Lover's Leap side. Right, so if you guys watch the Lover's Leap video, it's over that way. So I called the two hotels this morning. Jamaica being Jamaica, nobody now answer. Then I called back again. Lashings have not answered, and I got through to Seacrest, and that was like at 12 o'clock. I don't understand how you can be running a hotel and nobody's not answering the phone till after 12 or whatever. But anyway, yeah, so the lady at Seacrest told me to call back in an hour because the person who needs to authorize it or find out about prices or whatever had just stepped out. She probably went on her lunch break. I called back in an hour, and lo and behold, nobody now answer once again. After I finish my introduction to you guys, I'm going to call again because we're on our way down there. I'm going to call again just to make sure we're not wasting our day going there and it can't be done. But yeah, that's the plan for today. If it doesn't work out and we don't get to use those two hotel pools or whichever one is available, then we're just going to have to find a local beach. Our local beach is Bluefields. I've been going Bluefields for years. I'm a bit over Bluefields now. So we might have to try and find another beach. Apparently, there's one in Black River. Junior's friend told him that there's a nice one in Black River. But apparently there's lots of sandflies. So me and the children get bitten quite badly. I think I discussed that in a previous vlog about my mosquito bites and sandfly bites and whatever little insects that are in Jamaica that are biting my arse. So yeah, I do suffer from it quite badly, and some of my bites are still in the process of healing. So I'm not really trying to add to all that excitement with my skin. So I've got bug spray if that's what anyone's going to suggest. I've got all that. I've got after bite. I've got Dettol. You name it, I've got it. So I don't really want to add any more bites to mine and the children's skin, because we still have quite a bit of time in Jamaica. So yeah, so basically just follow us and see where we end up today. Please like, share and subscribe. You know our slogan already. Don't just watch the thing, subscribe to the thing. We're tired for talk, sort of tired. So yeah, please like, share and subscribe. Yeah, share with your friends and family. Make sure you're subscribed, and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you're notified when we do new videos, and you can be the first to see what it is the Williams family got up to in sunny Jamaica. Later. I have with me the usual suspects. We have Mr. Williams. Say hi to the vlog, Mr. Williams.
Hi GNT, I'm here in the house. I'm eating my favorite Jamaican pastry.
Which is what?
Gizzada.
Gizzada.
So that's a bit of a flour. Who don't know? A bit of a flour pastry with a bit of coconut with sugar. I guess there is cinnamon and other ingredients mixed inside. So yeah.
Me like how you hide off the sitting, but I was looking for them. We bought snacks, as you lot saw, in our supermarket thing, and now I can't find the gizzada. Me I hunt like hell and watch him. Not even offer. Oh, now it's not offer. What?
The girl them fight over with gizzada.
Me and the girl them gizzada. Who is it again?
Merciless.
Merciless.
Me and the girl them gizzada.
Okay, right, so let's introduce Ashley now. I beg the gizzadas, and they look like me. I'm going to get Henny at the gizzada. Ashley, say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
Savannah. Oh, who am I on? I can't see back there.
Where's my daddy going?
Anyway, Savannah, say hi to the vlog.
Hello. I'm hoping to have a nice pool day.
You're hoping for a nice pool day today, yeah?
Hello, GNT.
Hey, Savannah. You prefer to go beach? Alright,
We're going to the pool.
we'll see what happens.
We would get sandbags.
Junior's made a quick stop.
Sandbags, we're not
Gone
going
to check his friend. I don't know what it is. Make a quick stop. So at the moment we're heading towards middle quarters. My St. Elizabeth crew. My St. Elizabeth crew, who knows middle quarters? Oh no, not middle quarters, at Tombstone. Sorry, we're heading towards Tombstone. So my St. Elizabeth people, who knows Tombstone? Who knows the story behind Tombstone?
I do.
Comment in the comment section. What's the story behind Tombstone, Ashi? So what you jump up and talk about then? Anyway. Yes, so the story, I think there was two, who was it? Was it two slaves buried there? I think it was two slaves buried there.
Oh,
and when,
Jamaican.
yes, a long time ago, there was two slaves, they buried them there. And when they built the roads, they just built the roads around the tomb. Or something like that. Google it, guys. May I hell if you telling if you Google. Google it. Tombstone in St. Elizabeth. Google what is the history behind the tombstone, which are painted in the Jamaican flag. Junior's made a pit stop. Checking to one of his school friends then. And I am eating spicy bun. Spice bun. Mr. from Atlanta, Jamaica. Can't stop there. I see you sitting. Hey! Everything that passed me nose, me yummy. Everything that passed me mouth, me yummy.
I want my daddy.
Everything me eyes see, me yummy. I must be on. See, I I must be on a seafood and eat it diet.
Stop being greedy about that.
Don't worry, when we get back to England, we just run around the park 2 times and slim again. Run around the park 2 times and slim again. Yeah, I'll spend some money to come to Jamaica. Pick up my big money. And when we see certain food, me if and I bought, I don't think so. I don't think so. We spend too much money to reach Jamaica. For certain nice food, and me I talk about, no, too much calories. I was born fat, I swear to God, and me were dead fat. Me know. I've got lots of health issues. No, I man, when we get back to England, remember I can run around the park 2 times. But for now, while I am in Jamaica, West Indies, may I eat everything, God knows. Yeah. You know what? We bought 2 different bum. One was National Spice Bum, and I can't remember the other name. This one eat good. We'll compare it to the other one. We should have bring one of my red stripe beer. And we did buy from the supermarket Bulla Nice. My God, the Bulla Nice is not nice anymore. Usually when we buy Bulla Jamaica in England, it dry out and trash out. This one was so nice. Yeah. Such part away now. So such.
Treasure Beach down there, so we here, so we're in Treasure Beach here.
Are you going to Lashings?
No, we're going Jocksborough. They're on the same.
Oh, they're all the same because I saw the sign.
Yeah, they're on the same stretch.
Lotus View.
Like a
Villa. Which probably is a villa. Or Airbnb or something. The blue house? Oh yeah. Hurricane did this side bad, guys. This side of St. Elizabeth or this side of Jamaica took a real beating. Yeah. Look at all this. See all the damage, see all the fencing, the aftermath of Hurricane Beryl. Hurricane Beryl did well big. I don't think I would live up here. It's too whiny. What's all these little that tree drop down and block it where you can go? Huh? And you can't walk to the shop or nothing. Anything you have to drive or get driver. It's cold now. How high is that AC? I feel like I'm in England. Okay guys, it looks like this is Lashings, what we're approaching. Oh, so obviously that's where... Ashes Boutique Kota and Villa. That's it, right? Yeah.
Big man, sorry, is lashing, are they still in operation? They still in operation, lashings?
Yeah, this is it. The reception here right here.
Okay, alright. Because I know they get affected by the hurricane, so they still, because we trying to call them earlier, so they still operating everything, function.
For actually, I'm based in Negroes, so it's my first time.
Oh,
see,
see, I see.
I just got the request to come up here.
Okay.
So I guess I'm like you.
Fair enough.
Okay.
Alright, bro.
Yeah, but,
Thanks, eh?
well, once you get them booked, that means
Yeah.
it's still in operation. Because
exactly.
The front desk would have the layers, you know?
Yeah. Alright, thanks.
Reception here right here.
Alright,
Thank
thanks,
you.
eh?
Out in the street, they call it murder. Out in the street, they call it murder.
Treasure Beach. Treasure Beach sign. Once the Suzuki comes out the way, Lord God, somebody did that. Treasure Beach FC. Oh, football. What is that? Supermarket.
Out in the street, they call it murder.
Hey GNTs, guys, we're in Southside St. Elizabeth. That's in Treasure Beach. So in a area called a business place called Jack's Park. We come here quite a few times now with family. Normally we normally come here for fish. They got a beach. It's quite a nice area, nice location, nice food. So yeah, so this is where we are. You can see we're coming from up there, so we pretty much were driving along. You see that mountain, those mountains up there? That's where we were driving, along that mountain. So we came along. You saw the windmill up there? Those windmill on top? Anybody know Monroe College? That's a Monroe College up there. That's Monroe College. And we drove along the hill and came up to along mountainside and came down to Treasure Beach on the seaside.
I'm just caught.
No food, no drink. Natasha. You know that,
Let them go, let them get in the
Yeah.
water and enjoy themselves. Go on.
come. Sorry. You're gonna go anywhere?
Out in the street, they call it murder. Out in the street, they call it murder.
So this is the bar there and restaurant. Sun hot, John. Sun hot. I don't know how to the sun hot. I put on Savannah hot. Savannah hot, never put on right. I'm gonna put on, look. I have to be wearing Savannah hot, man. Sun is too hot. Jaja. It's me wearing Savannah hat and walking along Jack Sprat Beach. See all the mangrove over there. See all the local folks enjoying the beach. It's good though, because there's some beach in Jamaica the locals not allowed to use. So over in Junction, Sugar Beach people, the locals say can use the beach. Hello. Hot man. Sun is hot. Whoa, water nice though. Huh? Nice. And the water clean though? The water clean?
Yeah.
Not that bad. Yeah. Savannah, you enjoying yourself? You enjoying yourself, Ash? Is it good? It's alright. When we finish we can have food and it's not cold. It's nice, man.
So basically, guys, this is what the kids love when you travel with children. They don't see water, pool, beach, anything like that. They're just miserable, gets on your nerves.
Yeah.
So you bring them here, you make them tire out themselves, you make them enjoy themselves. You understand? And when you go back home now, as an adult, if you want to touch the road later, you know that they've had their time and they've got to enjoy themselves. You understand? Rather than following your adults back home to shopping and market. They're not interested.
Yeah, and food, eating.
And food and eating. You know what I mean? Yeah, eating. They like the eating.
At night time, but we can occupy ourselves. We can chill in the day and party in the night.
Exactly. But they
Yeah.
so that's nice. Are you gonna try this? Can I have some of your red stripe?
I didn't get your red. I get your red stripe.
Sorrel.
Sorry, wasn't warm enough. I get your lemon.
Okay, doesn't matter. I haven't had a lemon from up in here.
Sure. Sure, you had lemon soon.
I've had sorrel.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nice.
I wish you bought GoPros. So there's Junior. Junior's clearly feeling himself. Whose hat is that on your head? Savannah's. He's got his daughter's hat on and he's really feeling himself. What's that? It's like a hand. What the hell? That's a skeleton.
I want to walk over there, sir.
It's warm, yeah, the water's really warm. Yeah, guys, this is a live. What's the temperature in Jamaica? I mean, in England right now. What's the temperature in England right now, guys? You know that meme that's going around. Is it a meme? Where it says, "I'm in Jamaica. Where are you?" You know that one?
Oh yeah, see.
I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? Huh?
I said Jamaica.
Oh, did you? Yeah. No, it's great. Isn't it,
And she
Tony?
has a cup in her hand, right?
Actually, can we?
Yeah, like I should have put.
You put the 6-pack setting on. Put the 6-pack.
What 6-pack setting?
6-pack filter.
He wants a 6-pack filter. Me want a no belly filter. Because it's a belly. I mean, I don't know where to higher go. God no. I don't know where to higher go. Take a picture away. You're brave to bring your phone out. One with is our phone's waterproof? What? As in drop it in the water and it good? Now try it though. Huh? That's a big old stone there. Did you trip you with a finny? What happened?
She's done some gallons of water.
That's what, because she chats too much. Savannah's always getting a mouthful of water.
Savannah, come.
Careful, mind the rocks.
Never walk. Wait, listen.
Alright, here.
Out in the street, they call it murder.
Yeah, man. So the famous Jack spot. And when I was going primary school many years ago, I used to come over this side for school trip, beach trip. So it's like about 50 minutes from my house.
They call it murder. Out in the street, they call it murder.
That tree over there, sir. That's the that's over there, sir. Wanna reach over there, sir. Some local youths over there, sir. It's a tree. A tree over there. That's the one there. I leave already. One of them can take a quick picture for me up on a tree, yeah? Or not cut, Eh? Yeah, take a quick picture for me now. I want to try to make one catch over here, so you know. Eh? The
Out in the street, they call it murder. Out in the street, they call it murder.
So that's the view back to Jack Sprat. Nice. I mean, all back in the days, a couple years ago, all this rock was covered with sand. So far, so much of the land has been the earth have moved. Yeah, so all that's about a meter down. So there's a track around here. There's a trail. Oh no, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Out in the street, they call it murder.
Beautiful.
Out in the street, they call it murder. Out in the street, they call it murder. Out in the street, they call it murder.
Ash, where are the slippers? Yeah, so there's a bar which me and Natasha want to go called the Pelican Bar. Pelican Bar. We're thinking to go there and just visit bar because yeah. Hello. Hello, family. Oh. Well, I'm the man with the camera. You want to be camera? Where you guys from? You're from local here?
Yeah, man.
Or you visit?
St. Elizabeth.
St. Elizabeth.
Yeah, but we visit.
Oh. Okay. Yes, I'm from Silo, Magati, Silo.
Oh, same St. Elizabeth.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
a new building, Neil. St.
Nien.
Elizabeth.
Okay, Nien. Okay. Cool.
Our part, our place.
Yeah, but yeah, man, but cause Nien just up the road there, innit?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Silo, they just
Yeah.
tell me where they have a police when come from Silo, too.
A pol-
That's your name.
When in still there, Silo?
I don't know.
Wait,
I believe long time. You forgot your name. I swear to God.
Oh.
You're the virgin, man.
Yeah.
Oh. I lie.
Eh? Oh.
You YouTube channel?
Yeah, man, you on YouTube. But me, we live in England. Well, me live in England now.
Oh, me live in Ohio.
Ohio.
Yeah. Cincinnati.
So any? Oh, any? Okay. Yeah. And water. But we cause I used to go Black River High.
Black River?
Black River High School.
You know that will put me, I tell you?
Yeah, man, them test them inside. I got lots of schoolmates and from classmates from that stretch go straight up to mountainside, Nien. We call next place again Leeds. Yeah. Come we got one bridge. We got one bridge in from Nien.
Leeds up on Mr. Finley.
Garfield, Campbell, the Campbell them. He was some priest. He was a priest.
Apprentice brother.
Yeah, the parental dead, isn't it?
No, his father dead.
But they have one brother with dead from like the early days.
I think so.
I think him did. Can't remember what they have to him.
Father.
Somebody died. Female. I think I didn't brother when I'm big.
Never know apprentice.
Oh, seen. But Garfield like a younger one.
Yeah, man. I think he must overseas.
Yeah.
I think he must pass out.
Yeah.
He's a last one, man.
Yeah, man. He's a priest. Yeah, so that's my classmate.
Yeah. So he have a brother named Devon.
Yeah.
I want him Chris.
One of them Anglican church. You know them man they walk around with the thing and do like yeah man. He big night. Yeah man. So yeah man, but nice meeting you guys.
Turn up, man.
Yeah.
YouTube channel, I
Yeah,
will say.
like-
Yeah, subscribe, comment.
To the Williams
fire
family.
links and one country link to the Williams family. Oh, you mean one to the Donkey family too?
And the Dongle family. Big
Yeah,
up the Dongle family.
St.
Yeah.
Elizabeth,
Aye.
say the whole of
One-
Santa Cruz,
Yeah.
Dunkley Town, Santa Cruz, Maypen, Clarendon, the whole 9 yards.
One St. Elizabeth.
Yeah, one St. Elizabeth,
Alright,
one
sir.
fire links from country.
Alright, brother.
Represent the Dunkley family.
Dongle family.
Dunkley.
Oh, see, yeah, Dunkley.
St. Elizabeth.
Yeah.
We represent the Dunkley family. I'm here represent, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, December 26th. Every December 26th.
Oh, saying.
We're on a new building district.
Oh, okay.
Near St. Elizabeth.
I found a thing that.
Yeah, they are the whole 9 yards.
Yeah.
Every year.
Saying. You know, see your face look familiar. You never used to run like Black River days, yeah.
I guess everything there.
Yeah. Alright, nice to meet you guys, yeah?
Oh, you mean? I'm
Alright.
the whole of Cincinnati, you know.
Yeah, man.
But you call, so I have to quit.
So what? So you're going back up. You're going back up after Christmas. When you going back up after January, you wait till the weather cool down.
No, man, you have to go back up. I'm a job.
Yeah, your job. You go back.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's exactly it. You have to go back and make back your money. That's your sister.
Yeah.
Oh.
Say hi to Darren.
Hi, Darren. Say hi, Darren.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe. Like and share.
Like and share, man. She's my wife.
Oh, that's your wife. Oh, nice meeting. She quiet. What's her name?
Talk to him.
She know what I'm talking. She's shy. They carry. Come on. All right, Mr. Robinson, Dunkley family. All right, big up yourself, Dunkley family. All right, big up come from the Williams family.
Yes.
You say hello, Savannah. Say hello. Yeah, all right. That's my little daughter.
Yeah, man.
All right, later, guys. Yeah. All right, yeah, man. Come on, Baba. Come in. So, Natasha, how is the day going? Oh yeah, man, Kingston. That's not Daddy's dream.
That's my dream.
Oh. So we finished swimming now and just washing off. Wash off now. Just get the salt water off the skin.
Out in the street, they call it
Thank you. Savannah, that's yours. That's Natasha. I think.
Can I have Dad, can I have my one piece? That's a lot.
Oh.
I'll have an onion.
Savannah fried fish. Natasha, have the onion, Baba. You're full looking at you, right? I thought you were fried bami. I didn't know it was that dry bami. I thought you bami. Okay, you remember my drinks, yeah? With 2 Sprite and Red Stripe and Red Stripe Sorry, yeah. Thanks. Actually getting beaten. Yes, GNTs, so we have come to the end of another vlog at Jack's Park, as I mentioned earlier, in Checker Beach, Southside St. Elizabeth. I had my jerk fish and festival with some bami. Natasha had escapade fish and festival. Ashley had a jerk chicken pizza. Savannah had an escapade fish and chips. all the fish and festival nutrition?
Very good. I would give it 9 out of 10.
I would give mine 7 out of 10. The fact that I had jerk fish before, I had it in Lekauchi and it was more, I had a bit more spice and more season on it. This one is like, it's like,
They probably just gave you the sauce.
no, it didn't have any sauce. The sauce was more like it was like a barbecue sauce, like it covered seafood on it. So yeah, but I would say it was more like between a jerk and a steam. It kind of is soft, but you know, it wasn't like what I had in Lekauchi. I didn't want Lekauchi, I'd rather the other one. Lekauchi is still south side a little bit, just past junction. Yeah, how you rate your one, Savannah? How much out of 10? 6 out of 10. Ashley, how much you rate your pizza out of 10? Dash? Huh? 8 out of 10, yeah? Ashley rates his jerk chicken pizza 8 out of 10. So there you go, guys. As we said, guys, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to the Williams family.
Don't like that.